My ego is big as Heathrow. Yep, this elite flow, easy as a free throw. Yes, this Negro is rather lethal. You about as lethal as a mojito. Be my amigo, eat my burrito. You a fucking seagull, up in Fred Seagull. I'm up in Origo, still in my P-code. Murder's what she wrote. This is Mo Evo, this is less than zero. Don't be a hero, nigga, I'm a pharaoh with double barrels, goosebumps, arrows. When I shoot these arrows at your Camaros, rolling down Melrose, still down with Elcos till the fucking cell close. Nigga, don't test me, you're gonna fail those. They should arrest me, blow like Dizzy Gillespie. I don't aim where your vest be. Bang.
I'm too hot to stop, walking up with 2 Glocks, way more than 2 shots that'll make your roof drop. House shoes, blue top, money like I move rocks. This will get you socked and your bitch woo wop. Whole crew pop by this old school new shop. G nigga still keep my weed in a shoebox. Tipping, rolling through blocks, dipping while the coupe pops. Eating chicken dinners in my cutoffs and 2 socks. Play my shit, a lot of DJs they do not, cause me and bitch niggas don't mix like 2 cocks. Who knocks with them pocket rockets that don't shoot dots? Have your skull on the news looking like goulash. When they ask who the top, don't mention that's a foolish. Eat your ass up like a pack of barracudas. Put the barrel to ya like we never knew ya. Send the metal